Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make my perfect slow cooker jackfruit goulash. This is a delicious and easy dish that will leave you feeling satisfied. So if you're looking for a delicious and healthy dish to make in your slow cooker, then this is the perfect recipe for you. Now in a bowl we're going to add a 400 gram tin of jackfruit. To this I'm going to add 3 tablespoonfuls of smoked sweet paprika. Give that a quick stir around, coat the jackfruit in the paprika and let it sit for 30 minutes. Now we'll add the jackfruit to the slow cooker, and to this I'm adding 1 red pepper that's been deseeded and cut into large chunks, 1 yellow pepper that's been deseeded and cut into large chunks, 1 large onion cut into large chunks, 2 medium carrots cut into 2.5cm cubes, 175 grams of medium potatoes cut into 2.5cm cubes, 2 cloves of crushed garlic, 2 tablespoonfuls of tomato puree, 1 400 gram tin of chopped tomatoes, 400 milliliters of vegetable stock. We're going to give that a good stir around. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and watch to the end for further videos. Now we put the lid on the slow cooker and turn it on to high and cook for 4 hours. After 4 hours, just take the lid off, give the goulash a good stir around, check that the potatoes are cooked, and now it's time to serve. This goulash goes great with boiled rice, but I've just served mine with homemade flatbreads. Now folks, again I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.